Today we will be learning how to make an easy tree. In order to make this tree, for our base we will need a sketch pad or paper, or you can use a canvas, or you can use cardboard. And then for the leaves, you can use buttons, you can use sequins, you can use beads, beans, or you could use cereal, or you could use anything else you have in your house. I'm also going to be using some glue, some brown paint, and some paintbrushes. So the first step is to lightly sketch a tree. So make sure you add a trunk and then your main branches. And then using our paintbrush and paint, we will start painting it. So make sure that you fill in the trunk and the branches. Once we have painted in our tree, we're going to add some smaller branches. So it can be in any shape you'd like. It's totally up to you. Time to use our glue and our buttons or whatever you decided to use. So we will just pick any one and then glue it on to the picture. So we can put it in any order because trees are all different. And this is our final product. I also added some leaves on the ground and falling, and I put them anywhere on the branches. So I hope you enjoyed making this awesome fall tree. Bye!